Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2017 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive, stock number X925X. 32,000 miles and there's one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Equinox brand new, silver ice metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5 years, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Lots of cargo space in the rear. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, put you in a perfect driving position. Get only 32,000 miles with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, lets you keep your hands on the wheel. Large touchscreen infotainment system, 4 radio, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's of course with the backup camera displays. Hard keys below for radio, heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats, automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon and a city average of 28 on the highway and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Equinox, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.